Pranam, Pralab, it's your bedtime, guys. Now time to sleep. Yeah, time to sleep now. Okay, guys. Okay, switch off the light. Switch off the light, Pranam. Oh, now the room is very dark. Pranam and Pralab can sleep very well now. Good night, guys. Pranam, good night. Pralab, good night. Time to sleep. Okay. Okay, sleep. Pranam, oh, it's morning. Wake up. Time to go to school. Let's go change your dress. Prime school bus is coming to Hillrise Hall car park now at 7:50 a.m. morning. Let's go. Change your dress. Change your dress. Dad is going to school now. Hurry up. Prime is going to school. Let's go. माता प्रार्थना गुरुङले अहिले तुलसीको बोटमा पानी चढाउनु भएको छ। सूर्यदेवलाई नमस्कार गर्दै सूर्यदेवलाई सूर्य नमस्ते गर्दै तुलसीको बोटमा पानी चढाउँदै हुन्छ। अनि हजुरको उहाँको ज्येष्ठ सुपुत्र चाहिँ यहाँ आराम गरेर हेरिराख्नु भएको छ। अनि कान्छा पुत्र चाहिँ यहाँ ह्यान्ड राइटिङको लागि रेडी हुँदै हुनुहुन्छ हैन। वी आर ट्राइङ टु बी रेडी नाउ। बाबा इज डुइङ द प्रिपरेसन। दादा इज रिल्याक्सिङ टु मच। Pranam चाहिँ मजाले रिल्याक्स गरेर बसिरहेको छ। इन्जोय Pranam, इन्जोय। अब we have a lot of things to do, okay? We have a lot of activities to do, guys. Okay. What happened, Pralab? Where are you going? Come here. Get ready for your action now. Lauja. What are you doing, guys? Oh my God, guys. Pralab, के गरेको? यहाँ ह्यान्ड राइटिङको लागि रेडी हुन आउनुसी। Pralab गुरुङ अनि Pranam गुरुङ। त्यसपछि we do hand writing and then cut your hair. Cut your hair. Yes. Oh my God, you serious? Are you serious? Okay, guys. Pranam and Pralab eating noodles. अब कट ह्या गर्नुपर्छ है Pranam Pralab। ए हो र कसले भनेको? एन्ड यो आफ्नै बारीमा फलेको साग। आजको तरकारी पासैको साउ हैन Pranam Pralab?